Hiccups that just won't stop. Welcome to day 80 of the 100 Days of Simple Ayurveda Tip Challenge. Now you drink water, hold your breath, and they still keep coming. In Ayurveda, hiccups are associated with disturbance of the movement of Vata, particularly in the respiratory and the digestive pathway. Try this simple traditional approach. Take a few small sips of warm water slowly, or you can also try a small piece of fresh ginger with a little honey if it suits you. And avoid eating too quickly or overeating. Both can trigger hiccups. So comment hiccups and save this reel and follow for day 81.